Right.
You are here with Jonathan Silva and Team Silva at Keller Williams. We have a little experiment going here. It's cold. It's 8 degrees. We are going to blow bubbles on this piece of stuff here and see if we can make a bubble freeze. Are you ready, gentlemen and ladies? This is normal bubble solution. Nothing weird going on here. One moment, please. There's a bubble now. Please freeze, Mr. Bubble. Allow our experiment to be a success. Go into a frozen state, Mr. Bubble, please. Hey, you know what? I think it's starting to. I think it's starting to cloud and get weird. Oh. Okay. Is this working, baby?
It is definitely getting cloudy.
Something weird's happened to that bubble. Oh, you know what? It is freezing. It is freezing. Look at it. It is freezing, man. Yes, the experiment is working. It makes me kind of want to try to pop it. You think it's time to see if it worked? Is this a solid piece of mass? It is. Look at it. It's frozen and it's glassy. Woohoo! We did it!